Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to make chicken achari. This is one of the favorite dish people like to eat in Pakistan. They especially go at restaurants, so you can say desi restaurants known as dhabas, and they go specially over there to eat this kind of food. In Pakistan, people love to eat it with naan, but most of the countries do not have this availability. So you can eat it with tortilla wrap, or if you have roti or bread available near you, you can try this recipe or eat it with that. So without any further delay, let's get straight towards the video, and I'll tell you how to make it with just few ingredients at home. So I've taken some ingredients that I'm going to add into this recipe. I've taken coriander seeds, mustard seeds, cumin seed, fenugreek seeds, nigella seeds, and fennel seeds. So I'm going to crush all these. I am crushing with hand beater, but you can also use a mixer or beater like an electric beater. Now I've taken 2 tablespoons of this mixture, and I'm going to add it into 1 lemon juice. So I'm going to mix it with the help of a spoon, and then I'm going to add a little bit of more nigella seeds into the mixture, not into the mixture of lemon. And now I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoon of salt. You can also add more salt if you like, or you can decrease the quantity of salt. You can add it according to your taste. So I'm going to mix it well, and then we're going to take 6 to 7 green chilies. I've washed them out, and these are large in size, so take the larger one, not the smaller chilies, and then place a cut inside it with the help of a knife, and be careful while using a knife. So I'm going to fill it with the mixture we have made of these seeds and the lemon, and I'm going to fill all these chilies with this, and that's going to give a good flavor to your chilies. So all the chilies are about to be done, and you can see I'm done. And now we're going to move towards the next process. That's we're going to take a empty bowl, and I'm going to take 1.5 kg chicken, and with that I'm taking yogurt. I'm going to add coriander powder, about 1 tablespoon into it, and 1 teaspoon of salt. With that I'm adding turmeric powder, red chili powder, 1 teaspoon, and I'm going to mix it well with the help of a spoon again. And mixing is essential for every recipe. So I've taken 2 tablespoons of garlic and ginger paste. You can get them at any supermarket it's near you. So it's like ready-made garlic and ginger paste available at any supermarket. I'm going to mix it with the help of a spoon again, so that my hands does not get dirty. And now I'm going to marinate it for 1 hour. Now I'm going to take 1.5 cup of oil, and I've added 1 onion, and I'm going to mix it quite well unless it turns out to be golden brown. And wait until it turns out to be golden brown, and mix it with the help of a spoon that it is baked quite evenly from each side. Then I'm going to add 1.5 cup of tomato puree. I've taken some tomatoes and added some water into it, and then the puree is made like this. And I'm going to cook it for like few minutes unless the oil is separated from this mixture or this gravy. And then we're going to move towards the next part. That's we're going to add our marinated chicken. That's we have marinated for like 1 hour, and then we're going to let it cook. While this chicken is getting cooked, why don't you just go and hit the subscribe button. Once you're gonna hit the subscribe button, you will see a bell icon. Hit it, and you will be updated by my latest videos on the first go. And I'm happy to share more videos with you guys. So we're going to cover it up and let it cook for 10 minutes. Now you can see our chicken is about to be cooked, and the water is separated from the chicken, and there's a lot of water that is separated from the chicken. It's chicken water. You've not added more water into it. And now we're going to stir with the help of a wooden spoon, so that the chicken or the masala does not stick with the pan and does not get burned. Now I'm going to add what the masala, achari masala we have made before, of all the seeds. And now again I'm going to stir with the help of a wooden spoon. And now our chicken is about to be ready. But before that, we're going to let it bake or let it cook for a few minutes. Now we're going to turn the flame on high and let the chicken get tender. So once the chicken is tender, now it's ready to be presented in front of the guest, and you can see it smells and it looks so good and tasty. Now I'm going to give it a quick mix, and well, to make sure that the chicken is tender and there is no it's cooked well, so I'm going to take a knife and check whether the chicken is completely cooked or not. Now we can add green chilies to it that we have filled before with the masala we have made before, and we're going to give it a mix again so that the chilies get a little bit of softer and a little bit of tender. So we're going to mix it and then we're going to cover it for 5 minutes, and that's all. I'm covering it with the help of a lid, and 5 minutes are done. Now we can represent this chicken in front of the guest, but again I'm going to give it a little mix so that all the masalas and all the chicken is mixed from each side, and now we can present it in front of the guest. You can represent it with the tortilla wrap naan or something, and you can also serve some salad with it because people love to eat salad. You can add cucumber, onion, or even tomatoes as salad. So if you really like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and your family, and if you have any query related to anything, you can just comment down. I'll be more than happy to answer you on the first go. And do subscribe to my channel, and till then, goodbye, see you in the next video.